How to make anyone your friend. Hey guys, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to make anyone your friend. It is not as easy as it seems. It is especially difficult for those people who are shy and introverted. When it comes to making friends, introverts are out of it. Because they are not open to anyone, so it takes a struggle for them to become friends with anyone. And many people find it hard to make anyone their friend. Because it takes longer for them to understand other people's emotions and thoughts about themselves. They think they are boring and are not going to be liked by anyone. I will advise you some tips that will surely help you in becoming friends with anyone. Let's get straight into it. Don't criticize, condemn or complain. The first step towards making friends is not to criticize the person you're going to be friends with. People love to talk about themselves, so let them talk about themselves. When having a meeting with the person you are going to be friends with, let them talk. And listen to their every single detail. In this way they will think that you care about whatever they say. Matching interests is a key step towards becoming great friends. When your interests match, you can become friends quicker. Whenever you are talking to a person, they don't want to hear you criticize them. Instead, they want them to be praised. So focus on praising instead of criticizing. In this way, the next person can unleash the real him in front of you. Criticizing them on their minor talk will let them think that you are not interested in becoming friends with him. So avoid it. Be generous with praise. As I said, everyone loves to talk about themselves. So in this interval, the next person will tell you only good things about himself. He will tell you the best possible things to impress you. All you have to do is to listen to every single detail carefully. And then to respond to it later on. The point that should be taken care of is not to judge them. Just be genuine and polite. And praise them generously so that they can take equal interest in you. In this way they will talk more about themselves and you will eventually praise them more. And why not? Who in this world does not want to be praised? Be genuinely interested in other people. Some people in this society make friends only to use them. In this era, no one wants to become real friends. Everyone is connected with each other due to some certain reasons. This is called taking advantage of others. We do not have to make such friends. Because in this way such relationships do not last longer. We should focus on becoming actual friends with them. For this you have to take genuine interest in them. In order to take genuine interest, listen carefully to whatever they say and notice every minor detail about their personality. Take interest in their hobbies and conversation. Ask them questions. In this way they will think that you really are interested in them. And you truly want to be friends with them. A true actual friend is better than 1,000 fake friends. So focus on quality instead of quantity. Lastly, I must say a real friend is very important in one's life. So follow the above steps to make friends. I hope they will help you in becoming friends with anyone. Bye bye.